In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Postgresql to N8n seamlessly and efficiently. This guide will walk you through the entire process, step by step, ensuring that by the end of the video, you'll have a strong understanding of how to integrate these powerful tools to enhance your workflow automation. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the N8n website. For those who aren't familiar, N8n is an amazing platform for automating workflows using a variety of integrations and nodes, making your tasks that much easier to manage. Once you're there, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking on it will prompt you to either log in or create an account if you haven't already. After you've signed in successfully, you'll find yourself at the N8n dashboard, which serves as the command center for all your workflow activities. With the dashboard now in front of you, our next step is to initiate a new workflow that will connect to Postgresql. Look for the button labeled Create Workflow. Clicking this will bring up a fresh canvas where you can add various nodes to build your processes. This open canvas is where the magic begins, letting you visualize and design your workflow step by step. Now, let's add some nodes. You can do this by clicking on Add Nodes, which is conveniently located on the canvas. Nodes are essentially elements that represent tasks or operations, and in this case, we're searching for the Postgresql node. In the search bar, type Postgre and quickly locate the Postgresql node from the list of available options. Selecting this node allows you to incorporate data from your Postgresql database into your N8n workflows seamlessly. At this point, you'll need to provide your Postgresql credentials to ensure a secure and steady connection. This typically involves entering information such as your database host, username, password, and the database name you want to connect with. Make sure you handle these credentials with care, maintaining security best practices. Once your details are entered correctly, initiate the connection. Successfully connecting will allow you to leverage your database data across various automations within N8n. By following these straightforward steps, you can now integrate Postgresql to streamline and optimize your workflow automations using N8n. This integration is only the beginning of what you can achieve with N8n, given its extensive capabilities and flexibility. Remember that while setting up the nodes, you can also take advantage of the robust community and documentation that N8n offers, should you need further assistance or want to explore more advanced features. That's it. With these steps, you have successfully connected Postgresql to N8n, opening up a whole new world of automation possibilities. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.